Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech2Dev. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to accurately build a box using acrylic sheet. Whether you're making a storage box, a display box, or just need a custom-sized box, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. To make an accurate acrylic box, we need the dimensions length, height, and depth of the box you want to build. Let us take the length 120 millimeters. Okay, let me take it as 119. Height will be 40 millimeters and depth will be 40 millimeters. The box may look like this. To make the box, you will need 6 pieces in total. 2 pieces for the front and back, 2 pieces for the top and bottom, 2 pieces for the sides. Remember that opposite sides are always equal. You don't need to worry about calculating the exact measurements. I will show you how to take them easily. I'll explain how to get the exact sizes for these pieces. First, go to openbuilds.in on your browser, either Chrome or any other browser. Enter the length, depth, height, and material thickness, since we are using a 3 mm acrylic sheet. You don't need to worry about calculating the sizes, as the website will do it for you. Click on Generate Cut List. It will give you 2 pieces of 119 by 40 millimeters for the front and back, 2 pieces of 119 by 34 millimeters for the top and bottom, 2 pieces of 34 by 34 millimeters for the side. Materials we need to make the box. Acrylic sheets, we're using 3 mm thickness for this project. Measuring tape or ruler. Acrylic cement or Fevi quick glue for assembly. Acrylic cutting knife to make hard marking on the sheet. A support from the top to break the acrylic sheet, clamps or supports to hold the acrylic sheet. Clamps or supports to hold the acrylic sheet. Now, let us cut the acrylic sheet. I have made a separate video for generating the cut list on openbuilds.in. Place the ruler along the marked line, ensuring it's straight. Use the knife to score the acrylic along the line. Apply firm, consistent pressure, and make multiple passes over the same line to ensure a deep score. It's essential to score deeply, but don't try to cut all the way through in one go. Scoring helps create a controlled line where the acrylic will snap later. You can also use masking tape along the cutting line to prevent the acrylic from cracking or chipping. Once you've scored along the line, place the sheet on a flat surface with the score facing up. Always use a sharp knife to ensure a clean score. If you're cutting thicker acrylic, a knife might not be sufficient. For thicker sheets, consider using a saw or a laser cutter. Using a utility knife is an effective, low-cost method for cutting thinner acrylic sheets, but for thicker sheets or more complex shapes, you might need more advanced tools. Apply gentle, even pressure downward on the part of the acrylic sheet that is beyond the score line. The sheet should snap cleanly along the score line. If the acrylic doesn't snap cleanly, use the knife to score a bit deeper along the line and try snapping again. To make cutting easier, use a support from the top to break the acrylic sheet. Remember, opposite pieces should have the same dimensions. I'm using tape to check the accuracy, and then I'll use Fevi quick glue to fix them in place. Thanks for watching.